Hey, you guys, I wanted to educate you on Credit Karma really quickly. I hear a lot of people, especially when people call me, and I ask them, do they have access to their credit reports? The first thing that they say is, yes, yeah, but I'm just using Credit Karma and I know that's not accurate or whatever. Listen, you guys, stop saying that Credit Karma is not accurate. It's not that Credit Karma is not accurate, you guys. Credit Karma uses a different version of your credit scores. With your credit scores, you have different scoring models. You're going to have your VantageScore and you're going to have your FICO scores. Credit Karma, the next time you log on, look under where it says TransUnion and look under where it says Equifax. It's going to say Vantage 3.0. And I know most of you that have Credit Karma, y'all also have Experian. So after you log into Experian and you see that it says Vantage 3.0 underneath Credit Karma, I want you to log into your Experian. When you log into your Experian, I want you to see that it's going to say FICO 8. Both of those are different scoring systems. If you're searching for a home and you go to apply for a home, your scores aren't going to match up with Credit Karma or Experian unless you are paying for Experian and you are looking at your mortgage FICO credit scores. You have different credit scores, you guys. You have 20 or more, because it's more than that. You have different scores because it's the different models, you guys. With your Vantage, you have your Vantage 1.0, Vantage 2.0, Vantage 3.0, and I want to say it was a Vantage 4.0. With your FICO, you're going to have your FICO 2, your FICO 4, your FICO 5, your FICO for your auto lending. You're going to have your FICO 8, your FICO 9, your FICO 10, your FICO TNT. They're just different. You also have different you have different FICO models for your credit cards. So it's going to be different, you guys. It's not that Credit Karma is inaccurate. It's that Credit Karma is using a different scoring model, you guys. That is it. They are using a different scoring model. So it's not that they're inaccurate, you guys. They're just using a different scoring model. The model that they use, most lenders don't use that when it comes to giving you approvals. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you for joining me. Share this video with somebody that you think it may help. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, you guys. See you later.